Anyway, Goodwill, I bought these belts. One game at a time. Whoever loses gets out, and then Joshua.
Hey, how's that?
Oh, yeah, mango. Have you ever had mango pineapple? Oh, I have mango. Fuck. Have you?
We buy him a big gallon of it Costco.
I can't have that.
You drink the whole thing.
Oh, yes, I can. I love the
He
taste.
won't even drink water.
I do drink water, Dad.
No, you wouldn't.
I do. I drink it during tennis.
Whoever loses gets up and you sit.
No, I can play join you.
Come over here, John.
Oh, okay.
You got all yours? Oh, here. Get one and see who. Oh, who's gonna open? Who opens?
9, 8, 12.
What? Did you take it from there? Oh, sorry. Okay. All right, I open? Yes.
You just go there?
You open that thing?
You got one, eh?
No.
Oh, I thought you said
Yeah, he bells. Oh, did you bell? No, I thought you said I do too.
I thought you said no, I said
So wait, let's take a vote. Both of you will start with that.
Hey, put it in there. You say, go with me.
all right, well.
Hey, you feel that breeze?
Yes.
Feel that breeze? Yeah. Now, out of my business. Now you're gonna feel
Very
it.
nice.
Yeah. Marshall coming up.
Oh,
No Marshall.
and in August, no, it's the Huntington Beach Air Show.
Oh.
Hopefully this year will be okay.
Yeah.
Last year we went.
Wait.
My friend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure.